everybody, today we're gonna show you a podcast how to repair a Columbia snowblower.
So we are going to fix the drive belt and change the spark plug. We need to take off two bolts, one right here and one right here.
After that the bolts are off, you can take off the plastic. In there, you can see the belt, the drive belt.
So we need to put on top the snowblower.
So we need to take off these 3 bolts.
Now we need to take off this metal clank.
So we see the belt right there. So now we need to take off the old drive belt and put the new one.
This is the old drive belt. You can see it's very scrapped and it's very small. Now we went to buy this one. It's a new pack. It's a pack of a new drive belt, and this is what we are going to use. It's much bigger than the other one, and it's brand new.
So this is it for the...
We have replaced the drive belt. So we are going to put back everything, and after that we're going to clean the spark plug. So now we are going to put back this plastic piece right here. So if you don't know where the spark plug is, well, it's right under this little plastic caplet right here. And to take it off, you need a big ratchet like this. So we are going to take off the spark plug just like that.
Wow, do you see how dirty is this? So we are going to clean this with a metal brush. Now it's clean. So now that the spark plug is clean, we're gonna put it back in the snowblower.
And we put back the plastic caplet so the electricity can go in the spark plug.
So now that we're finished to repair all the piece of the snowblower, we're gonna try to start it and show you how. So first you need to put the key on. After, put the choke on the max. The run at 50%, you need to pump 5 times and start with end start or electric start to press here.
Before starting it, you need to make sure that there's a lot of gas in the snowblower, and you need to make sure that the oil is full. After that, you can start it. So like previously, we are going to start it. So the key is on, the choke is in the max, the speed is at 50%. You push on it 5 times, and after you can start it. As you can see, it works. Now we are going to see if it can advance. So we finally repaired the snowblower. As you can see, it works, and the drive belt is used to make advance the snowblower when you press on the top button.
And the spark plug is used to start the engine.